Crunchy. Alright, we've got our cucumbers. I'm just gonna fill it up all the way to the top. These need to be submerged, so I'm gonna have it filled all the way to the top, and that's how I'm gonna measure how much to pour in here, because I don't want to really make any extra. Alright, there we go. I filled it all the way above the cukes. Okay, it's about 1.5 cups, just for your future reference. Alright, I'm gonna put the heat on, start cooking it. We're gonna put 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons, might. Wow, black pickles. Did it dissolve yet? It's not even dissolved. How much dill do I need? Do you think a teaspoon dill would even be enough? Is a teaspoon too much? Half a teaspoon? Alright, it's starting to boil. Alright. Poured into a warmed jar. I was like, huh. Alright, well, got a little bit too much. Alrighty, there they are. See them? Pickles. Well, I don't know if they're technically pickles because there's no vinegar. No vinegar pickles. So whatever that's just seasoned cucumber. Oh wow, this actually sealed. Amazing. Wow. Did you hear that? Ta-da! Smells good. Interesting. So these floated to the top. They're still covered. Alright, this has been 1 day. So we'll see how they are after 1 day. I'm gonna pull one of them out. Uh-oh. Where did it go? There, I got him. Got me a pickle. Get the bay leaf off. Okay. Well, we'll see how good it is in a minute. Pickle. Alright, well, here's the jar. As you can tell, they're almost black. So, we'll see. Crunchy. Not as spicy as I wanted. but very crunchy. Not too bad. It's only been 1 day, so I think after maybe a week, they'll be really good. It's not too salty, not too sour, not too much dill, just a little bit salty, a little bit dill, a little bit sour, and fresh cucumbers coming through, and very, very fresh, very, very crunchy. Definitely didn't get soggy. I've got some of the leftover meatloaf. Ma! The meatloaf! I don't watch Hollywood movies, but I'm still brainwashed. Very good. I've got some toasted spelt bread with MCT oil on it. If you want to completely go alkaline, I have a transformation program. There's a link in the description to get a hold of me, and I can have a free consultation call with you. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day on purpose. Peace.